in the vast tapestry of life. I am but a delicate bloom, a flower. Though seemingly insignificant in the grandeur of nature, my existence holds a profound tale of beauty, resilience, and interconnectedness. From the moment I first pushed through the darkness soil, I am driven by an innate desire to grow, to thrive, to become. In spring, I burst forth in a riot of blossoms, adorning the world with my ephemeral splendor. Bees and butterflies flock to drink of my nectar, spreading pollen from bloom to bloom in a timeless ritual of pollination. Each petal, each leaf, is a testament to the miraculous dance of life unfolding. I am a symphony of color and scent, a testament to the boundless creativity of nature. Yet, life is not without its trials. Summer sun scalds my tender petals, while autumn winds threaten to strip me bare. But with each challenge, I dig my roots deeper, drawing sustenance from the earth, and weathering the storms with quiet resilience. As winter's chill descends, I bow my head in quiet surrender, returning to the earth from whence I came. But even in death, I am not lost, but transformed. For in death, I nourish the soil, providing sustenance for new life to take root and thrive once more. My journey may end here, but the cycle continues, eternal and unending. So the next time you stroll through a meadow or pause to admire a wildflower by the roadside, remember the story it holds, for in its petals lies a tale of beauty, resilience, and the enduring power of nature's song. And perhaps, if you listen closely, you may hear the whispered words of a flower, speaking of life, love, and the infinite wonders of the world.